You may have seen a thing called folders in Standard Time and wondered what they were used for. Well, the answer is that they are used to categorize things like your projects or jobs. Here you can see I'm looking at the projects page. There are a number of folders and subfolders on this, and you see the properties for the selected project on the right-hand side, and you see there is a folder property where I can go in and create new folders, rename, categorize, and choose folders for each of the jobs, which allows me then to use them in interesting ways. The most useful way is the filter tree on the left-hand side. If you don't see the filter tree and it looks like this, you can go to the View menu and choose Filter View. That opens up this page. Then when you open up your items on the left-hand side, you may see folders if you have categorized those as such. Here you can see some folders under Projects, under Clients. Oddly, you can even categorize the categories. You get the subtlety of that. You can place these categories inside of folders. You even can place users inside of what we call work groups. They're not really folders, but they're work groups, and they serve as the same sort of function. And you may also see them in inventory. As I browse through the various pages here, you can see that I have filtered by these various categories on the left-hand side. Here I'm looking at the last 30 days, only the jobs that are under the QuickBooks folder. Same thing on the timesheet. I'm looking at just the jobs that are under the development folder. Project tasks is showing me just the jobs under the bridging and bracing. So I'm looking at just the project tasks that belong to these projects. You may even consider looking at work in progress, not only by the work group the employees are in, but also by the jobs that you want to see, or the types of jobs that are categorized by these folders. Inventory is another good use of that. You can see a lot of inventory items here. As I click on those, again, you see the folder property on the right-hand side. You can categorize your inventory. That way, when you actually scan those inventory items on the shop floor, they produce expense records, and those expense records can be categorized by folder. So lots of different uses for folders. You should consider creating folders, putting your jobs, clients, users, categories, inventory into these folders, and then use them to look at data in different ways. Very nice little capability in Standard Time.
¡Vale, mariachi!